Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily restore your contacts on your Android device. So for doing this you just need to go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Google, so just click on the Google and here you need to scroll down until you will see here option restore contacts. So just open it and here you need to choose if you want to restore from another account. You just need to click here and choose another account if you connect more than one email Gmail here. So and this is how you can also just clicking here, and here you will see how much contacts you have, and just click on restore and it will successfully restore your contacts. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.